And machine translation also works well in cases where the quality needs to be only good enough. I'm thinking here, for example, about customer support, where you have two people that don't speak a common language and need to help each other out, or one person has a problem and the other person needs to help you out and needs to get a point across without it being super polished. So I think that would be a scenario where machine translation is quite feasible.
Yeah, I totally agree. If I can interrupt here, Daniel, you mentioned good enough quality, and I think that's very important here, because I don't think that good enough quality is the way to go in audiovisual translation, because you see, if the filmmakers, the film crew have invested a lot of talent, time and money to make the perfect film or series, then why should their effort be undermined in the home stretch by poor subtitles or dubbing, only because of machine translation?